Welcome WPB Stars. I'm Chef Sebastian Sando here in Restaurant Louis in Saarlouis in Germany. Beside me is my sous chef Guillaume de Porter, and we're going to do one of our signature desserts here in Louis. It's all around YUZU, PEAR, PARSNIP, very light, very fresh, and Guillaume will start right away.
Hi guys, first of all we're gonna add a cream of parsnip to the plate. And this. Then we're gonna add a gel made from YUZU citrus fruit, which is basically my favorite citrus fruit, and I also got it on my arm. We have a little bit of white chocolate ganache. Small pieces of pear, which are cooked in like a sugar brine, and some parsnip. We really like the balance of vegetables and fruits in this dessert. After that we're gonna add like a mousse made from buttermilk. We have two different kind of ice creams. The first one is a YUZU sorbet. And the second one is basically ice cream made from PEAR on a vanilla ice base. We finish it, we don't finish it, we first add a little bit of yuzu zest to give it the nice fresh accents, the herbal part from the citrus fruit, and we finish it off with a meringue made from vanilla. That's it, here we go. This is the signature dessert, YUZU, PEAR, a bit of buttermilk and parsnips. Enjoy!